चलो म साइड खुली पाउनु हो ले उठे
By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down. There we wept when we remembered Zion. By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down. When we remember Zion, carry us away, captivity, required from us a song. Now how shall we sing the Lord's song in a strange land? Carry us away, captivity, requiring of us a song. Now how shall we sing the Lord's song in a strange land? Meditation of our heart be acceptable in thy sight. Be tonight by the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down. There we wept when we remember Zion. There we sat down. Let's go! With my shut eyes, I watch you sleeping. What I feel beside me, slowly fading. Would she hear me if I called her name? Would she hold me if she knew my shame? There's always so much if I'm going wrong. That I want to the wrong side of the sun. There's always so much to get it on. Can anybody help me make sense back? Your tears don't fall, they crash around me. And conscience calls, guilty to come home. Your tears don't fall, they crash around me. And conscience calls, guilty to come home. The moon's die, I hear no Visions left inside me, slowly fading. What she hear me would she hold me if she knew my shame? I know it's all the time I'm going wrong, but I want you the wrong direction. I'm so sick of hanging on. Can't find how to make things back down. Your tears don't fall and crash around me. Her conscience calls, guilty to come home. My tears don't fall and crash around me. Her conscience calls, guilty to come home. It's better through my seat before.